Hello again, it's Noob, and this is an ABUS Y14 padlock. And why is it cool? Well, the keyway and the key are really the key here. Pun not intended at all. But can you see that they are curved? Look at that. They have a really, not massively pronounced, but a definite arc to that keyway with some really fun warding in there. And yeah, it's just really, really cool. So 6 pins. Really smooth operation, medium security padlock, and it's just really fun to pick up through that warding, which you can do. You can see here that I've got a hook which can go up through the center of this warding. As long as it's a thin enough pick, you should be okay. Somewhere around 18 thousandths, 15 thousandths should sort you out. So here we are in the vise. Here's the key. Not bad bitting. You see that 1, 2 and position 3 are high cuts, short key pins, and then you've got positions 2, 5 and 6 there, which are quite low cuts. So not bad little bitting on this. Not great, but not bad. I love that curved key. It's so cool that you have that curved key and keyway. To pick this, it's not that bad a pick. It's actually quite good fun if it behaves itself. Top of the keyway tension, a medium hook in 18 thousandths, and we're just going to go in at a slight angle, click 5 there, and then 1's now binding, push it up, nice click out of 1. Let's see where else we are. So pin 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, bounce that tension, 6 little click, 5 there, 3's now binding. Oh, into a bit of a false set. Do you see that? Gone into a little false set there. So we're on some kind of spool. 2's now giving me counter rotation. And I think that's set. Who else isn't set yet? 4 is giving me counter rotation. And we're set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, what's happening here is I think we're caught up on maybe a little T-pin or something. So I'm just going to go along each of these pins in turn and just tap on them to see whether we can. So just hit 5 there, and that gave me a little bit of a movement. And did you hear that tiny little click on 6? Because we got the open. And there we go. What a... Oh, it just locked itself back up. Is that a sprung core? I'm going to have to check this out. I was like, is it sprung? Mildly sprung, so a little spring to it. So there we go. That is such a really nice ABUS. Is it super high security? No. Is it super fun? Absolutely. And it's worth having in the collection, not least because of that amazing curved key and keyway. It's just so iconic, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, great little lock, really fun pick. I really hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. It really helps my channel out, and I would appreciate it very much if you think I deserve your subscription. Other than that, all I can say is stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.